The spinal cord extends from the medulla to the lower end of the backbone. It is included inside a throw bone but flexible spine. It is responsible for the transfer of messages or information between the brain and other parts of the body. Through nervous, it also controls the actions that do not involve the brain. Such actions are called reflex actions. Nervous nerves are long thread like structures and are made up of special cells called the nerve cells. They arise either from the brain or from the spinal cord. There is a network of nerves all over our body. The nerves are of the following kinds: sensory nervous. This nerves brain messages from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. Motor nerves. These nerves carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles or glands. Mixed nerves. These nerves carry messages to the brain as well as bring orders from the brain. Reflex actions. All the messages go to the brain. Some messages require an immediate response. Such automatic and immediate responses are controlled by the spinal cord and are known as reflex actions. From example, when our finger comes in contact with a hot object, the sensory nerves immediately pass a message to the spinal cord. The spinal cord sends orders through the motor nerves from the muscles to tighten up. We pull our hand away from the hot object even before we feel the pain. Watering of the mouth and blinking of the eyes are also reflex actions.